So, hello everyone, we got another package, and this is from Flipkart. So, this was being sold for 20 rupees, and the inner child of mine just woke up and thought, let's buy it. So, I bought 4 because the minimum order quantity was 4. So, I like the orange one because I'm a KTM fan, though I like Kawasaki as well. Let's go ahead and see if it is worth 20 rupees. So nice, it has suspensions, so you can see here. It's all plastic. So this is how it sounds. Let me open one green one also. This is how it is. Same suspension. Everything. So this is the front, the top, and this is the bottom. Good, I think it is good for 25 rupees. So it says Chigy Wooh monster truck toy for kids. Its price is 279. So I'm just looking for where it is made in. It says manufactured by Trending Cart, Delhi. Doesn't mention about anything made in China or something, but it has ISI mark. Okay, so this is it. I'll give it to my brother also. He'll also like it. So, thanks for watching. Bye.